Hello all, this side Aniket Kaushik. In this video, I am going to explain you all the functionalities of Spot Your Deal website. So this is the home page of Spot Your Deal website. First, we have to select the location in which city we want to order our product. So we have 3 cities available right now. We are selecting Lucknow. After selection of city, we can order our desired product like into the grocery. We want to order this product, so we have to click on this. Then we will read all the descriptions and similar images of this product. Now we are adding the product and going to the cart. Then we can edit the quantities, how much quantity we want to order in this. Now click on checkout. Then we have to enter uh, our number through which we have to log in into the website. Right now we didn't log in into this website, so it is uh, giving us instruction to firstly logged in, then we are only able to order our product. So my number is 99. Then we have to enter send OTP. Our OTP is now we have logged in into the website. We can see here this is our name through the or number through that we have logged in. Now we can order this product, check out. Then we have to fill all the details here like shipping address. We are in Lucknow, so we have to select Lucknow address, then payment mode. Then we will click on payment. And we can see here our order is confirmed. Now we can go to the continue shipping. There is MLM function is also embedded into our website. Like when we enter into the wallet, we can see we have currently 3665 points, and recently that order has been placed by us. We have there some coins which we can get. Like when we click on it, you can see there is 195 coins we can get after order this product. So right now here in the order history, we have ordered this product which is right now placed in the status. After some time, when we check our order history, then we can see that this status has changed from placed to delivered. Now we have option to collect the coins. When we click on it and confirm this pop-up, then we will get our coins, which we can see into our wallet, which has changed from previous status to currently, which is 3860. We have also one feature to collect more coins from Invite Now. With the help of this coupon code, when we refer this code to our friend and when he or she log in or register with the help of this code, we will get that time several coins also. So let's see this too. So to understand this, firstly we have to log out from this account. Now I am going to register with new number so that I can get spot coins from referral code. This is my new number. OTP is I have to fill all the details in this register form. Date of birth, and referral code is submit. Here I can see my registered number and my name. Now when I will go to the wallet section, I can see here I have now 1000 points which I get from the referral code from the previous user. And similarly, when from this ID I will order a new product, some spot coins I will get here, and 50% of that amount previous user will also get. Thanks, that's all from my side. I hope you have got all the information from my side correctly.